Hello and welcome back to this new video tutorial about Struct in Golang, lesson 23. What is a struct? A struct, the short for structure, used to create a collection of members of different data types into a single variable. While arrays are used to store multiple values of the same data type into a single variable, structs are used to store multiple values of different data types into a single variable. A struct can be useful for grouping data together to create records or entities. Let's see how to declare a struct in Golang. To declare a struct in Golang, we need to use the keyword type followed by the name of the struct and the keyword struct. Open and close parentheses and then put all the members of the struct. For example, member 1 and the data type. Member 2 and the data type. Member n and the data type. Very simple. Let's create a real struct of type movie with the following members: the title, the year of the movie, the director, and the length of the movie. Outside the main function, I'm going to type the keyword type, the name, movie, and the struct keyword. And then all the members: title of type string, director of type string, the year of type int, and the duration of type integer as well. Very simple struct. Now let's access the struct members. To do so, we need to use the dot operator between the struct variable name and the struct member. Inside the main function, I'm going to declare a new movie, movie1, of type movie. And then I'm going to type the name of the movie, movie1, dot title equal the value that we want. For example, avatar. And then movie dot director James Cameron, movie dot year 2009, and then movie one dot duration. I'm going to put this duration. Let's print now in the console all the members of the struct movie, the title, movie dot title, then the director, movie one dot director, and I'm going to do the same for the length and the year. So the duration and the year. Movie dot year. When we are ready, we can go inside the terminal and type go run main.go. Perfect. We can see the console, the members, all the value of the members of my struct movie. So the title, avatar, the director, James Cameron, and the year 2009, and also the duration. We can even pass struct as a function argument. Let's see with an example. Let's imagine that we want to create another movie, var movie 2 of type, of course, movie, related to our struct. And then we want to populate all the members of movie 2. I'm going just to copy this part, paste it here, change this to movie 2, right? And instead of avatar, I'm going to put like avatar 2, James Cameron, year 2022, and the duration, let's put like 220. But now I want to print also the movie 2. Instead of doing copy and paste, duplicate the code, I can create a specific function. I'm going to write the function declaration, like for example, print movie, and I'm going to pass the struct as an argument of this function, movie, and then I specify the struct movie. So in this case, here I can access all the members of the movie. Of course, I don't want to duplicate this code, so I'm going just to cut it, paste it here, and here I'm going to change from movie 1 to the name of the movie, movie 1 to just movie, right? And then inside the main function, I'm going to print here, print movie, movie 1. I'm going to pass it, the movie 1 to the print movie, because the print movie is accept a movie as parameter. And I'm going to do the same here, movie, print movie, movie 2. Perfect. Now let's go inside the terminal and type go run main.go. And we can see in the console the first movie, avatar, but also the second movie, thanks to the function that we wrote print movie, where we pass to the function as argument a struct type. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.